It's so windy, it's super cold. The sound is probably awful. I'm doing a tribute to Wim Hof and Pavel Tsatsouline, and I'm going to do 100 kettlebell swings, go for a cold dip, and honor 2 superhumans. Yeah, but it's so cold. It's like -13, but it's so windy. I think with the wind chill, it's probably like -23, 25. It's ridiculously cold. So I'm gonna do the Wim Hof breathing, 100 kettlebell swings, go for a dip. Oh my God, this is so intense. freezing. I'm retreating. Oh God. Holy shit. Oh God. by far the coldest dip I've done. Oh my God, my beard is freezing. Woo, crazy. It's the feet. I had a retreat plan. There we go, there we go, there we go, there we go. Into the car. Holy shit. Oh my God. Oh, forgot about the towel. My beard is frozen. Oh, woo, wow. Oh my God. Look at that. Oh man. I knew, holy crap, I knew that this is the coldest day. It's not so much the water, it's the wind is blasting, like just blasting wind. And that's the problem. When I'm in the water, I was saying to myself, the water is the warmth. And it was, but getting out, stuff freezes, like my shorts almost insta freeze. My beard is good now. Oh my God, it was like a insta frozen beard. Holy shit. So that's about as manly as it gets, I think, for or hardcore for the ladies, my bad. The Pavel Tsatsouline, who's a strength coach beast using the kettlebells. Super cold day, probably minus 20 something with the wind chill. And then doing the Wim Hof, 2 superheroes. So amazing. I'll have to check out in the community. I honestly haven't looked too much into people doing it minus 20 and how their feet and toes are. That's where my challenge is. It's a lot different than an ice bath. I imagine I haven't done an ice bath before. But I just want to add 2 elements in there and make the cold plunge fun and exciting and unique. So that's it. Today was so freaking intense. Holy smokes. Wow. I'm gonna go back there and put my shoes on to collect my other camera. The camera, my phone, was at 100% charge. I turned it on to film some of the kettlebell swings and it shut off within like a minute, 2 minutes, because it was too cold, frozen. So I had to heat it up in the car and leave it running. Oh man. Wow. That was definitely in the moment. Holy smokes. Definitely need practice. As an experiment, I came back out and I dipped my beard in the water, and that took about 2 seconds. Got some seawater in my face for it to freeze. 2 seconds. I actually forgot too, when I came out, my feet almost stuck to the ice. It was so freaking cold. But wow, looking at it, that's a cool beard. I've never had a straight up frozen beard. So yeah, just did that as an experiment. It took like instant beard freeze. Better than wax. Oh my goodness gracious. It's a whole nother level. Woo! There we go. So yeah, took like 1 sec for the beard to freeze. Beautiful environment though. Super cold. The other test I did was brought my shorts out for a second. They're like frozen solid. It's wild.